Hi everyone, welcome back to Function Pilates channel. I'm Vanessa Kelly, master trainer and studio owner of Function Pilates located in Tempe, Arizona. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a default series of exercises to place in your intermediate arm category. I'm working on a balanced body piece of equipment, and the spring tension I've chosen is one red spring. I understand as a student this can be overwhelming and challenging as you're piecing together exercises for your clients. So the videos here are intended to help and assist you throughout the learning process. If you do like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I hope to have you along the journey. In rowing back one, in a tall seated position, knuckles and fists facing each other, legs straight out or slightly bent if the client has tight hamstrings, begin to scoop through the belly, tucking the tailbone and articulating the spine, keeping the fist close to the chest. As you maintain tension in the straps, open the arms wide to a T, folding forward from the hips, pressing from the lats to reach the arms behind the back. Circle the arms forward from the shoulder socket as you cue your client to restack up to the starting position. Inhale, draw the fist to the chest. Exhale, belly button to spine as the torso lowers back. Inhale to open the arms. Long exhale to press behind the body as it restacks back up. Let your client know to put the focus on activating their back muscles and maintain complete engagement throughout their core. They will feel a stretch in the back of their legs, and if they are tight, then it will limit how far they get their nose to the knees. Remind them to take it step by step and avoid a fluid motion. In rowing back two, the biggest difference is that instead of a round back through the spine, it will remain in neutral. Inhale to bicep curl, exhale to hinge back from the hips, inhale to hold, exhale, shoot the arms up to the ceiling as the body hinges forward, diving nose to knees while sweeping the arms behind the back. Circle the arms forward, again from the shoulder, finishing with the arms in a bicep position. The hardest part of this exercise is reminding your client to shift their weight forward as they reach high to the sky. It will feel very difficult for them if they do not do this, putting their shoulder at risk for energy. The rowing back series focuses on strengthening the shoulders, back, and abs, and I like to get in about 5 repetitions for each one. And this concludes the intermediate arm series. Follow me into the full body integration 2 category where I will demonstrate advanced exercises.